A warm greetings. This is me, Dr. R.Madhu from the Department of Business Administration PG from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So today we'll see about the global supply chain management and logistics. So I will discuss an essential component of modern business operation, that is the global supply chain management and logistics. In an increasingly interconnected world, the efficiency and effectiveness of a company's supply chain can make or break its success. The global supply chain is the network that moves goods from suppliers to consumers, spanning the multiple countries and continents. Logistics, which is a crucial part of supply chain management, involves the planning, implementation, and control of a movement of goods and service. Why is global supply chain management important? Global supply chain management, that is GSCM, refers to handle of a flow of goods, information, and finances across international borders. In today's world, business rely on the network of suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers from different parts of the world to deliver products. As businesses expand globally, managing these networks become increasingly complex. One of the primary reasons why effective GSCM is important is that it directly impacts the company's competitiveness. An efficient global chain allows business to lower cost, improve quality, and respond more quickly to change in market demand. In turn, this business helps the maintaining a profitability and customer satisfaction. A well managed global supply chain can also offer access to new markets, reduces risk associated with domestic productions, and increase the scalability of an business. For example, companies like Apple have preferred their global supply chain by sourcing raw materials from various countries, manufacturing in others, and distributing them worldwide. This efficiency allows Apple to offer competitive pricing while maintaining the high quality. So, similarly, the car manufacturers like Toyota and Ford rely on the complex global supply chain to source parts from different regions and assemble them in various countries, ensuring they meet the consumer demand in multiple markets. The key components of global supply chain management: sourcing and procurement. The sourcing involves finding and selecting suppliers who can provide the raw materials, components, or products of a company needs. In a global supply chain, businesses often source some from the multiple countries to take advantage of cost efficiencies or access to specialized materials. The procurement processes also involves negotiation and the contracts and managing the relationships and ensuring the timely delivery. Manufacturing and production. So, in this, the global supply chain often involves multiple steps in manufacturing, sometimes in different parts of the world. Companies can choose product, parts, or entire product in location that offers low labor cost or specialized skills. For example, electronic manufacturing products components in China, which assembles by taking place to Vietnam or Mexico. Inventory management. Managing inventory across multiple countries and the locations is one of the most challenging aspects of global supply chain management. Businesses need to strike a balance between having enough stock to meet demand and avoiding excess inventory, which can lead to higher storage cost. Effective inventory management also requires forecasting demand accurately and addressing supply levels to avoid stock out or overstocking. Distribution and logistics. Logistics is backbone of and global supply chain. as it involves the movement of goods from suppliers to manufacturers and finally to consumers. It includes transportation like sea, air, and road or rail. The warehousing and managing distribution networks companies often rely on freight forwards, customer brokers, and third party logistics providers to handle the complexity of the global transportation. So, however, the role of the logistics and the global supply chain that focuses on the efficient movement of goods from one location to another. So, it is a challenging in the global supply chain managing and in the logistics. Thank you.